Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. Today I want to give you a quick demo about our limit bandwidth attacks, which you can see are available for attacking containers as well as for hosts. And in order to demo that one, we have actually deployed one container, which is the OpenSpeedTest container. So it's provided by openspeedtest.com, and have deployed that one into our Kubernetes cluster. And you can see whenever I'm starting the open speed test, it's actually downloading content from the cluster to my local machine with the maximum internet speed my internet provider is giving me, which is right now roughly 50 megabits per second. And I can now use Steadybit, which has automatically discovered that speed test deployment, having one pod and one container running in order to create an experiment. The experiment structure is pretty simple. It is just one attack, which is the limit bandwidth attack for the container. I've specified I want to attack all containers running in the speed test namespace, which is that single one. And I've specified to limit the bandwidth for 2 megabits per second. And now I'm able to run that experiment. You can see that the agents are establishing the connection to the platform in order to ask for new experiments to be executed. And as soon as this is done, the limit bandwidth is kicking in and actually limiting the bandwidth. And now that we have the open speed test at the right-hand side, we can also see the effect because it's actually just the 2 megabits which I've limited it to be. And as soon as I'm stopping the experiment, the limit bandwidth is rolled back. And you can see that the speed is increasing and going back to the full internet speed that I have available. Check the actions out in the reliability hub, where you can see both versions, host and container based. Easily install them in order to run your bandwidth experiments. Take care.